Hello everyone, I am Suman Patro, Assistant Professor at Civil Engineering Department, Mallabhumi Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, Bakuda. Today I am going to discuss some important properties of fluid and their application. All matter divided into two major categories. One is solid and second is fluid. Difference between solid and fluid defined by one is stress-strain relationship and elasticity property. In case of solid, we require external force to deform it, and when we remove the external force, it may regain its shape. But in case of fluid, we don't require external force to deform it. Example: oil, water, gas, etc. Fluid can also classified into two forms: liquid and gas. Difference between liquid and gas defined by compressibility and continuity property. Liquids are incompressible in nature. Its volume will change when we apply very high pressure. Gases are compressible in nature and its volume will change when we apply the slight variation in pressure. Now, first important property is density. It is the mass of fluid per unit volume. It is defined by rho. At 4 degrees centigrade temperature, density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube in SI unit. Next one is specific weight. It is the weight of fluid per unit volume. It is defined by gamma. At 4 degrees centigrade temperature, specific weight of water is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. Viscosity is two types. One is dynamic viscosity, second one is kinematic viscosity. Dynamic viscosity defined by mu. It is the resistance of fluid flow. Fluid will deform at different rate under the same shear stress condition. High viscous fluid deforms more slowly because its molecular makeup results very little friction. Example: syrup, and vice versa also true. Example: water. Second one is kinematic viscosity. It is defined as nu. It is the dynamic viscosity to density of the fluid ratio. Now we see some application of viscosity. Bitumen used for road construction on the basis of this property. It is the used to finding out the fluid flow behavior for pipe flow. It is also used for designing of sewer line. In case of machine and automobile sector, we use lubricating oil which have high viscosity. Next important property is surface tension or surface tension coefficient. It is defined as sigma. It is the intermolecular force per unit length along the free surface. It is caused by unbalanced cohesion force. It is depend on various type of solid interface. If we use glass or wood surface, there will have different surface tension coefficient value. Now we see some uses of surface tension. Some water striding insect can easily walk on water because of this property. When we add detergent with water, it will create bubble and it will work as a cleaning agent. When water fall on the tent, due to the small droplet, water does not passes through the fine pores of the tent. But when anyone break the surface tension or break the small droplets, then water easily passes through the pores of the tent.